Respected sir and madam, a present good morning to one and all. Myself, I am Vaishnavi. I am pursuing at 10th standard. Today I am telling one wonderful seminar in front of a great people like you. My seminar subject is biology and my seminar topic is transportation, the circulatory system. Do you know friends, what is meant by transportation? Yes, of course. Transportation is nothing but the materials which are involved like some material, salt, etc. is called transportation. First of all, I will show that picture of heart. This is the picture of heart. When in the upper side we are present, it is called arteries. Lower side are present in heart, it is called veins. In this heart there are four types is very important. Right ventricle, left ventricle, right atrium, left atrium. It is the best important for our heart. Right ventricle and right atrium means nothing but which are present in right side is known as right ventricle and right atrium. Left ventricle and left atrium means which are present in left side is known as left ventricle and left atrium. Pulmonary artery, it is also nothing but artery which are present in deoxygenated blood in our heart. Veins which are present in our heart, it will be produce oxygenated blood from different body parts to heart. Aorta which are present into middle of the heart is known as aorta. In this heart so many arteries and veins will be present. Arteries and veins will be present means like they will produce oxygenated and deoxygenated blood from different body parts to heart or heart to different body parts. Next I will tell about BP. First of all, what is the full form of BP? Yes, of course, BP is nothing but blood pressure. The normal person of the BP is, the systolic pressure is 120 and the diastolic pressure is 80. Do you know friends what is systolic and diastolic pressure? Yes, of course. Systolic means nothing but it is the contraction phase of the cardiac cycle. The systolic pressure is very high. It is the first stage of the cardiac cycle. The systolic pressure of BP is 120. Diastolic pressure is nothing but the relaxation phase of the cardiac cycle. The diastolic pressure is very low. It is the second stage of the cardiac cycle. The diastolic pressure of the BP is 80. The normal person of the BP is 120 by 80. The instrument which are used by BP is sphygmomanometer. I will show that picture. This is the picture of sphygmomanometer. Next, I will tell about cardiac cycle. Do you know friends how many stages of cardiac cycle is there? Yes, cardiac cycle is the 5 stages. I will show that pictures. This is the picture of cardiac cycle. First stage is imaginary and relaxation phase of the artery and ventricles. It will be the relaxation, arteries and veins will be relaxation into the deoxygenated blood. It will be present in first stage like this. Second stage, blood flows into arteria. It will be produced like oxygenated blood into our heart. It will be present like this in second stage. Third stage, contraction of arteria, flow of blood into ventricles. Like when I will tell now, ventricles is nothing but it will be produce oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. In third stage, the cardiac cycle present will be like this. Fourth stage, it is main stage of this cardiac cycle. Contraction ventricles of walls and closed blood flows into arteria. In this fourth stage, contraction walls will be closed and it will be enters into the arteria. Fifth stage, relaxation ventricles, closing of arterial walls, cardiac cycle. It will be the most important stage in our cardiac cycle, like lubbed up sound. Lubbed up means nothing but relaxation of the heart. Next, I will tell about lymphatic system. Do you know friends, what is the lymphatic system? Yes, lymphatic system is nothing but the nervous system. Single circulation. Single circulation is nothing but which are involves like a single movement is known as single organism, circulation. The example of single circulation is like fish, amphibians, etc. Double circulation, which are the movement like one or more times, is known as double circulation. The examples of double circulation is frog, etc. Next, I will tell about coagulation of blood. Do you know, friends, why the blood will be clot into 3 to 6 minutes? Yes, the blood will be clot into 3 to 6 minutes, not means the human body will be died. Thanking you for giving me this wonderful opportunity.